guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and it is Saturday, February 25th. Been working on getting all the snow cleaned up, and just heard that we have a winter storm warning in effect. It's going to hit here anytime, and they're calling for over 10 more inches, and the snow's supposed to be heavy at times. So hopefully I can catch some of that on film. Look how deep it is. It's just piled up everywhere. Well, and so it begins. Not big flakes, but it's constant. Well, this winter storm we're having is supposed to have some high winds and heavy snow. Every time that happens, our power goes out. So, I got this out of the RV. This is my little backup generator. It's not real powerful. It's pretty much only good for lights and maybe a television, something like that. But it's better than nothing. I've got plenty of buddy heaters if the power goes out. So, this will just power the conveniences like TV and lights and stuff. So haven't fired it up in a while, so let's fire it up and make sure it will start. Hey, well, she's a purring now. Well, next morning, and we did get a good bit of snow. I shoveled halfway through the night, and it's pretty deep, at least 6 inches or more. Boy, am I tired of shoveling snow. And now it's starting to snow all over again. Well, I got the front pretty clear, and around the RV. I'm going to throw this in the backyard and then start on it. I had it all cleaned up, and that's how much snow we got last night. Running out of places to put it. Well, the snowstorm lasted for 2 days. I've got all the yard cleaned up, and now I'm trying to get all that snow off the top of the RV, because here in about another week or two we should have a huge explosion in the temperature rising, and I don't want all that melting and refreezing. So let's get it all off there, and hopefully it can breathe better, the cover. Alright, it took me several hours, but I finally got the roof all cleared off and got it all dug out around. Looks pretty good. Alright, until it snows again.
SIM card.